Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change username in your Snapchat. You go into your Snapchat, you have your profile name here, and you can change it. How do you do that? You enter the application, then click Profile. Here you have a first and last name, and at the bottom, username. That is the name by which you are found in search or in some other way you are found by it. In order to change it, you click in the upper right corner of the icon. Settings, and here there is an item, username. Click. Here you now write a new username, but be careful. Your username can only be changed once a year, so be careful. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue, and here you change your username. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.